Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, hi. Welcome back to my class. And today I will discuss another problem related to exam papers that I have done so far. It's about mathematics, chemistry, and physics problems. So, are you ready? Ready, set, go. So, here I want you to take a look at questions that we'll discuss today. So, we have chemistry, mathematics, and physics problem. Each one question. And I want you to pause the video first and give a try. And after you have done with your solutions, then you can resume the video and watch if you answers them correctly. So here's for number one. Okay. So actually in the questions is very clear. We are given the pKa, which is 3.2 of the weak acid. It is not stated what weak acid is it, and but it is not important. And we also given the pKb value, which is 3.4, and of the weak base, and we also don't know the weak base solution. So it said that these two mix salt, and salt is of course AB, and actually we can calculate the pH of that salt by using the formula uh, which is 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. I want you to know how to derive the equation before you use that. So here's I show you the step how to derive it. And actually that's self-explanatory. The first line is showing how the dissociation process of the weak acid. Second line is the dissociation of the weak base. And the third line is about the solution, the salt solution. And you also write down the KH, then we get the H, and using that H, we can have pH, which is log square root of Kw times K divided by Kb. Kw is the constant of the uh, dissolving of the water, which is actually uh, it is half log 10 power of 14. So you just drop it, then half times 14 is 7. So plus half log of square root of k log half times the log of Ka, which is pKa, and minus because it is divided is on the composition, which is divided of minus half pKb, and that's the where the formula comes from. So you just need to substitute after all. So we have 7 plus half times 3 and 2 minus 3 and 5. So we have half 7 plus half times minus 0 and 2, which is minus 0.1. So 7 minus 0.1. So at the last, the salt pH is 6.9, which is neutral, neutral, but it is a little acid. Okay, that's it for number one. Number two, to solve the power problem, we need to use some trigonometric here. And but first, the most important thing is to sketch the problem first. So here's the sketch. I want you to analyze it carefully how I made this picture, this figure. I'll use this figure to answer it, to answer the question I mean. So let the height of power mn be h, and we see the triangle QMN, then we can obtain that tan 30 degree is actually Mn divided by Qm, which makes us have the equation Qm equals Mn divided by tan 30 degree, and then it brings us square root of 3 times h, which actually this is equals to Mr. Now we analyze the triangle of Mn and P, and we know that Mn equals to Pm, and for the triangle of PMQ, then we have MP equals square root of 200 squared minus uh, square root of 3 and 8 together squared. But we know that this value MP is actually from the line 3 now for triangle MMP, it's actually MN equals PM. We know that this equal to H. Okay, so we squared both sides, the right hand side and the left hand side. We have 200 squared minus 3x squared equals x squared, and it brings us to 200 squared equals y squared, and we square both sides. So we have h equals 100 divided by 2, and lastly gives us that the height of the tower, is 100 meters. Done. Number 3. So actually, this is very basic questions, but we need to know the concept before we can do this question. We can solve this problem. So we know that the force is just the derivation of the potential energy relative to the position factor. So we have F equals minus dou U, dou R hat, and it brings us, because we know that the u is which is minus k over 2r squared in the problem. It brings us with k over r cubed r hat in this solution. And also the particle is moving, is said to move in a circular path, so we can apply the centripetal force formula here. So F equals mv squared over R equals K over R cubed, and it brings us with mv squared equals K over R squared. But this is not last, but we use this to substitute to find the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy, as we know, it is half times mv squared. So use the mv squared is K over R squared. We insert it here. So it's half times K over R squared. So the total energy always be potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy is clear given the problem, which is minus k over 2r squared, and the kinetic energy is k over 2r squared. So together we sum them equals 0. That's the solution to this problem. Done for today. So here's a little quote for you. So Harriet Tubman once said that every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember you have within you the strength, the patience, and the patience to reach for the stars to change the world. That's for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give a like, comment, and share this video to your friend. And now I'm back, and here's the interesting. So keep watching, be thoughtful. Also, don't forget to share another programs. Also, don't forget to access your free learning resources on our website. It's https://science with exploit.unaux.com. I'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye and see you.